How to fix this 8-pin GPU cable that comes from your power supply doesn't go all the way in your GPU. And this video is made on INNO3D GeForce RTX 2060. So I'm going to put this wire, as you can see here, it's all connected. The 8-pin is connected together. I'm going to put it all the way, just try to put it in. And as you can see here, no matter how I try, it doesn't go in. There is space. There's space from this side too. So to fix this, first you have to just unplug it and then disconnect this cable. So as you can see here, disconnected from this plastic. As you can see here, there's some plastic here. So you push it forward, and then it's disconnected. And you take this part, this little part here, the 2-pin, and try to put it here. So to put it here, you have to be tricky. You have to push it like this, down and front at the same time. Otherwise, it won't gonna go in. So as you can see here now, it's in, but I'm gonna push down and front, down and front, down and front, and it is all the way in. And this is usually the hard part. The other part is easy actually. You have to take this one and align it with this wire, with these two plastics here. So I don't know if it's gonna be shown on video, but I'm now aligning the okay. So I'm now aligning the wire, and it's aligned. Now I'm gonna just push, and it's all the way in. So the second part is really easy. You just have to align it and it will go all the way. And now let's check. There is no space actually. I can see with my own eye. Let's give it a more push again. Okay, now let's check. No, yeah, there's no space. Actually, there's zero space. I'm seeing with my eyes. I don't know if the camera is showing this really good. Now let's check this one. There's still zero space, and the wire is all the way in. And yeah, this is really good now. It's perfect now.